Hello YouTube. My new spoiler came in. So let's check it out. Okay. This is the new spoiler. As you can see here, this one is a lower profile than the one I originally put on the car. Notice how tall it is? This one is a lower profile one. All thing you gotta do is just mark the holes, drill, and it will fit the exact contours of the Mercury. And guess what this came off of? That's right, a 2016 Mustang GT. That's right, they do fit the Mercury. The shape of the trunk, the taper, everything fits. It even lines up with the trunk lid seams. All you gotta do is just mark, drill, and mount. Well, that's it. My car's in the shop today. It's supposed to be done today, the rear gears and everything. While it's still in the shop today, I'm gonna work on this, prep it, paint it, and then when I pick it up either tonight or tomorrow, I'm gonna mount this on there. Well, that's it. Till next video.